Hi, this is Emily from 3 Decades, 3 Kids. Thank you to Chiscom for these awesome toys. I've already opened one of them, and it's super cute. We have to fill this with water, it says. So I'm just going to fill that. Right, that looks good. And then you put this, you have to wind up the tail, and then it'll swim. The tail will also change to pink or blue.
Okay.
It does like swim though.
That's cool.
That's so
No,
cool.
that's really cool.
And then it's turning pink, it looks, right? It also comes with accessories like a bracelet and a ring.
Those are so
and
cute.
a necklace for
Whoa,
the mermaid.
It really goes fast.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what's in the next one.
Okay. So here we have the clues, and you can write the clues, and then in the last clue there's the key.
Oh.
And the key opens up the treasure chest, which has the mermaid in it.
Oh, so cute. Oh, this one has a different color hair.
Ooh, cool. And then they'll have the accessories and all that good stuff.
How
Oh my
cute.
gosh, it's so cute.
So let's see, you said that the tail changes colors?
Yep.
This one's so cute. They're so
Yeah.
different. I thought they were all going to be the same. Pink hair, yellow hair. They are adorable.
Yeah.
It looks like it's pink, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then you have one more. So let's see what that one has.
Just gonna move those over there. It
Okay.
actually comes with an adorable birth certificate that you can write out for
Oh,
the
that's
mermaid.
really cute.
It's even cute certified.
Oh boy. Just gonna back up a little to get some water. Okay.
So this could also be really fun as like a little scavenger hunt to
Mhm.
have to find it.
I can't believe each one has a little key. That's just
I
so
know,
cute.
It's so adorable.
And
And
it
the,
has a keyhole.
and the chest is just so glittery. It's
Mhm.
great.
And it's easy to open with the key too. Oh,
Yeah.
twinsies.
Aw. They're super cute.
Here, when you get that out, I'll fill this with water.
Okay. Just gonna put all the keys together.
Okay. All right, here you go. Oh, the tail's white. So,
Yeah,
okay.
the tail is white to start.
So let's see.
And then you have to see what it
We have
becomes.
2 girls so far. I have a feeling this is a girl too, but you never know. Because this one kind of could have been a girl or a boy.
Yeah.
Are you a girl or a boy? Wow. Okay, let's see. Is it changing colors?
No.
It's
Oh,
a
it's
boy.
blue.
It's a boy. Yay, it's a boy. So we have 1 boy and 2 girls. Wow, so I thought that these 2 were going to be the same.
But
They
one
look-
changed different
Yeah.
on the tail. That's
Oh, that's
so cute.
interesting, right?
Yeah.
So even if they look the same, they might be different.
with the tails.
How cute. All right, I'm going to move them over so you can go on to the
Okay.
next.
Next, I am going to open up the mini doos.
We have never seen any of these toys, so this is really kind of fun for both of us because we have absolutely no clue what's going to be in
How do
here.
I do this?
Here.
Let me see on here. It might say spin to reveal. Oh, there's a thing on the bottom.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so these are instructions, it looks like. I can get them open.
6 hours later.
Alright, I got them open.
Okay.
And it says all the ones that you can get. Thought I saw like oh, here we go. Oh, it's on the other side.
There you go.
Here we go. Okay, so step 1. Peel wrapper and spin to reveal your mini doos.
There you go.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, that's so cute. This
Step
is
2.
so cute.
Mm,
I
do
had
you
a
smell
little
it?
doll that looked just like this when I was
Step
a kid.
2. Open
me
lid to
smell it.
reveal hair.
It smells so good.
Oh,
Oh, it has a
wow.
lot of hair. How
Step
cute.
3. Twist mini doos to release from pin. Am I supposed to?
There you go.
How do I get it? Oh, there we go.
Okay. I think maybe the whole base comes out. What is this thing? Oh, stickers. All right, let me see that one. Oh, there you go.
there you
All right,
go.
you did it. Let's see. That is so cute. So it has, oh, it must sit on there. Look, that must go
Oh
on
my
there.
gosh,
makes
and
a
it's
little,
like a little salon
right.
chair.
Oh, that's so cute.
Step 4. Find nail stickers and suction cup. Oh, this is the suction cup.
Oh, okay.
Suction cup or pencil top. Okay.
That is really cute. And this is like a little nail polish bottle or something, right?
Yeah.
That's adorable. Okay. We have 2 more of
And here are
those.
the nail stickers.
Oh, they're-
They are really cute. So you do have to fully unpeel it.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
It's so cute. They're so cute. I had no idea they'd be so cute and
I
have so
know.
much hair.
Yeah.
The hair is crazy, right?
Will you open the
Sure.
top?
Here, while I'm opening that one, you try that one.
Okay. Oh. Ooh, those 2 are pink and this one is purple.
There we go. I'm just going to take it out, okay?
Okay.
If I can.
How about you do the tops and I'll take them out?
Okay, here's the bottom. I mean, it's good that they're in there.
Yeah.
There we go.
I think I've almost got this one
How
out.
does it come out?
I don't know. You have to twist it.
Okay.
Oh, there we go. Just twist it until it comes out.
Twist the bottom.
Yeah. At least I'm pretty sure that's what you have to do.
All right, well, let's figure that out later.
Yeah, okay.
We got the one out, so we know they do come out.
Oh, there we go. I got
Okay.
this one.
Let's see. They are really, really cute. They're really cute.
Yeah.
And they each smell different?
I
Let's see.
think so.
Sorry. Here.
They smell good.
They smell so good. Okay, and let's go on to the last. What are these called?
Baby secrets.
Baby secrets. Let's see what these are.
See. So, color changing diaper, dip in water to reveal gender.
Oh, okay.
So it sounds like it's similar to the Mer Babies.
Okay.
And I'm pretty sure those are also the
Look
babies.
at it's gold or something though. What is that?
So here's its birth certificate.
Oh, it's a little diaper because it's a baby. And look at it, has gold.
This
hair.
one says which one
Okay.
there are.
All right. Let's see.
Okay.
Oh,
And then
that
you have
is
to fill
so
this with water.
cute.
And the diaper will reveal if it's a boy or a girl.
I hope you can swim, baby.
It's like a bath.
What's in its hand?
I think it's a paintbrush.
Let's see. Oh yes, it seems to. In addition to the diaper, it seems like it painted itself. Look.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see, boy or girl.
It looks like it's a boy.
Oh, how cute! That is so cute.
Okay,
Okay, here, move them up
I'm
here.
gonna put it over there.
We have
And
two
I'm
more.
going to open this
I'm
one.
gonna back up. Apparently, you need a lot of water for these.
Yeah, these take a lot of water.
But that's fun. It's fun to have
Yeah.
water, right? Oh, that one's
This one's
cute.
like a beaker.
Oh my goodness, they're so like glittery. They're so cute.
Yeah.
They're really like exciting to open, right?
Yeah, because you don't know if it's gonna be a boy or a girl or which one
Well,
you're
especially, and we had no idea what they even looked like or anything.
gonna get. This one is a boy.
I gotta get this one sitting up in the water. You need a life preserver. Oh, look at how cute! 2 boys. So we have 2 boys so far.
Yeah, maybe this one is a girl.
All
Or
right.
maybe they're all boys.
Well, here we had definitely 2 boys. I mean, 2 girls and a boy. These we don't know.
Ooh.
Oh, that's cute. I love their glitter hats.
I know, they're so cute. Okay, we're gonna
Let's
put it in
see.
the water.
Yeah, let me see them. Or it, whatever.
Them.
There you
I
go.
don't know what it is yet.
Is that water? Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Let's see.
Ooh.
Are you a boy or a girl? This one has a spoon? Is that what it's on?
I think so.
On the left hand. What did it do?
Just out.
Bubbles in the. Oh, it's a boy.
Oh, it's a boy.
It's a boy. So
They're
we have
so
3
cute.
boys. Do we have
Yeah,
3
and they're all
boys?
cute.
Oh my goodness.
And glittery.
And they're all making trouble, just like 3 real little boys. One has a paintbrush, one's a baker, and one has
Oh, it
a
looks like this
spoon.
one is in like the kitchen. Like its hat is like.
Oh,
a
the hat is
pot.
the pot. That's
oh my
cute.
gosh, these 2 could be like in the kitchen
So
together.
cute. So let me just turn these around so we can see them one more time. They're adorable. And then we have the 3 of these. So all of those come with water and these come with no water. But you can probably put them in the water anyway. Okay. Thank you, Chiscom.
Thank you, Chiscom.
Bye.
Bye.